All right, let's solve a huge Japanese grammar puzzle. What's the real difference between des and mas?
You know, they both sound polite and end sentences, but there's one key difference. Let's get into it.
First off, both are for polite speech, or keigo. It's how you show respect to people.
Okay, here's the secret. Des is all about a state of being. Mas, that's for action. Two separate universes.
So, let's jump into the des world first. Just think of it as your is, am, or are.
You see, des links up with nouns to say what something is. For example, I am a student.
It also hooks onto adjectives to describe things. For example, it is delicious. No action, right? Just a state.
All right, now let's cross that divide to the Mas universe. This world is all about doing things.
So you stick mas right after a verb when you're actually doing something, like I eat.
Here's another great example. I watch anime. Watch is an action, so it has to be mas.
Okay, but this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Beware the English verb trap. So you might think, I like sushi would use mas, right? Nope, that's actually wrong in Japanese. And here's why. In Japanese, like isn't something you do. It's an adjective, describing a feeling.
So that English action verb literally transforms into a Japanese adjective, a state of being.
And because like is an adjective, you have to use des. You're just describing your state of liking something.
Want is another one of these traps. In Japanese, it's an adjective too, so it also gets this.
All right, let's go over two last super important rules that apply to both worlds.
First rule, the most crucial word, your state or action, always comes at the very end.
In second, you can often just drop the subject, like I. If it's obvious who you mean, it sounds way more natural.
So, to sum it all up, des is for states, with nouns and adjectives. Mas is for actions, with verbs. And just like that, you get the core difference. Now you're all set to use them. Go give it a try.